इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे आईपीडीसी का सेक्शन सी। इसके अंदर आपको सिचुएशन टाइप क्वेश्चन दिए गए होंगे और इसके अंदर अगर आप सबसे बेस्ट वाला ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते हो तो उसके 2 मार्क्स मिलते हैं और अगर दूसरा ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते हो तो उसका 1 मार्क्स मिलता है। ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन चूज ओनली वन ऑप्शन एंड मार्क इट ऑन द आंसर शीट गिवन टू यू. All questions are compulsory. Read each question carefully before answering. Apply what you have learned from the IPDC lectures and work to choose the best option. Best option के 2 मार्क्स और दूसरे ऑप्शन के 1 मार्क्स. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है Manish is upset because all his classmates have brand name clothes and the latest mobile phones, whereas his family's difficult financial situation means that Manish has no choice but to accept whatever used accessories his elder brother gives him. What advice do you think is best for Manish right now? Okay. Avoid focusing on what you do not have, but learn to appreciate what you have. This will bring positivity into your daily life. B. This is life, just accept it. But if you work hard now, then you will earn enough money to buy whatever you want in the future. Then you will always be happy. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए हमारा ए। जो अभी है तुम्हारे पास उसका तुम्हें शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए। ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट दे ब्रेक यू एंड देन दे रीमेक यू. What can we learn from this method that the USA Army used to train their recruits? A. We should be ready to come out of our own comfort zone to further our personal growth. B. We should break all the limits and make new innovations. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए A. हमें हमारे comfort zone से बाहर आना चाहिए हमारे personal growth के लिए. Okay. After being stuck in a quarantine for 6 months, Manohar has not been able to take his usual journey to college. For the last 6 months, his usual routine consists of waking up at 11 a.m., watching a movie, taking a nap, and then studying through the whole night while eating the fast food that he ordered online. Unfortunately, despite his hard efforts, he is finding harder to concentrate while studying and he is feeling more tired than usual. Manohar explained his confusion to you. What do you think is the best way to advise him? A. Do not worry, you are genuinely trying your best. Once college opens again, everything will go back to normal and you will see the fruits of your hard work, hard efforts. B. Do not worry, you are trying your best, but you should consider exercising and eating healthier. You know what they say, a healthy body makes a healthy mind. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए बी, एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, हेल्दी खाना चाहिए. ठीक है. 2 weeks ago, Abdul submitted his scientific research paper for his first review. Due to the lack of support from his appointed research partner, Abdul had to rush the result analysis. Today, when he went to collect the feedback, his professor responded with only the harsh criticism for his work. How do you think Abdul should handle the situation going forward? A. He should ignore the professor's harsh tone and keep trying to amidst the difficult circumstances. B. He should try and use the criticism to improve his research paper. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए B. The rule number 21. Rule of 21. What did we learn from this rule in the context of new habits as mentioned by the Robin Sharma in his book named Who Will Cry When You Die? A. You should develop a habit by practicing it for 21 days without a break. Initially, it is normal to feel uncomfortable for first few days, but if you break them in for about 3 weeks, they will fit like a second skin. B. If you find it uncomfortable while developing a new habit, then take a break and continue when it feels more natural to you. Continue this, you reach 21 days target to develop a beneficial habit. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए ए कंटिन्यूसली 21 डेज बिना किसी ब्रेक के साथ आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके. Radha wants to start a new habit of running 10 kilometers daily. She downloaded a fitness app and even bought new trainer, but she struggles to stay motivated to continue every day, especially when her legs feel a bit sore. What can she do to make this habit more regular in her daily routine? Run an extra 5 kilometers on the next day as a punishment for skipping a day. B. Allow herself a small reward every time she reaches her target. तो ये वाला ऑप्शन होना चाहिए बी. ओके. स्मॉल टास्क रखने चाहिए और जैसे वो कंप्लीट करें उसका कुछ स्मॉल रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए. संजय spent time on social media until late night. Because of this, he is sometimes unable to wake up on time in the morning. On such occasion, he sometimes skip his scheduled workout session so that he can catch the bus to work to arrive on time. What do you think Sanjay should do to become more consistent? He needs to break the habit of staying up late night so that he can wake up on the time and complete his morning workout as planned. Social media is also an important part of his nightly routine, so he should buy a personal vehicle and use that to reduce our travel time. That way he can exercise and reach his office on time. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए ए. सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए, रात को जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. Dhaval has been visiting the cricket nets every day to practice for the upcoming regional trials in a few days. He feels confident in his ability and expects to gain a spot in the regional cricket team. Upon his regular visits, he gets familiar with another youth called Raj. Upon talking, Dhaval finds out that Raj is also applying for the trials. Raj requests Dhaval to give him some guidance on his batting style. Raj is not sure whether to help him or not because competition is already high and Dhaval seems naturally talented. What do you think Raj should do? A. Dhaval should try his hardest to assist Raj to improve his batting technique. B. Dhaval should give Raj a few general tips before leaving to focus on his own technique. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए try hard to assist Raj to improve his batting technique. Okay. Mr. Honda is the CEO of clothing manufacturing company. Over the last 2 years, Mr. Honda has successfully opened 18 new factories around India. Today, he has a review meeting with his client in Mumbai. Just as he was about to board his flight, he receives a news of an accident in one of his nearby factories. One of the machine temporarily malfunctioned, injuring 50 to 20 people, 20 of his workers. What should Mr. Honda do? Mr. Honda should reschedule his meeting and visit the factory to personally provide emotional and financial support to his workers according to their need. Mr. Honda should inform the manager to give the worker a financial package of their troubles and then continue to his meeting. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए ए. जो भी इंजर्ड पर्सन है उनको मिलने जाना चाहिए और इमोशनल और फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट जैसे उनकी नीड्स है उनके हिसाब से प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए. ओके. Ram has just received his midterm exam back from his teacher. He has scored the highest score in the class with an amazing 91%. After being praised by his teacher, Ram looks through his classmate paper. His classmate Shyam has also scored very highly. Upon further inspection, Ram noticed that one of Shyam's question was marked incorrectly. If Ram informs the teacher, then Shyam will gain 3 more marks. However, this will put Shyam as the highest scorer and Ram is second. What do you think Ram should do? Ram should not inform the teacher. The fault belongs to the teacher. So Ram should enjoy his well and first place. B. Ram should inform the teacher about the mistake and take pleasure in helping Shyam to get better grade. तो इसमें आंसर होना चाहिए बी. टीचर को बताना चाहिए और श्याम को ज़्यादा ग्रेड मिलना चाहिए. ठीक है. Suraj is having a discussion with his friend Minish about a recent argument they had at college. This incident has made Minish feel disappointment. He believes that Suraj is to blame for the whole incident, but Suraj tries to calmly explain why he reacted in the way he did. What is the best way Minish approach this conversation? Minish should get up and leave the conversation, then try to forget about the incident. B. Minish should carefully listen and try to understand Suraj's perspective with an open mindset. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए B. ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए और समझना चाहिए सूरज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. Shilpa has had a difficult day at school and wants to talk her cousin Kinjal about it. They have sat down in the sitting room and Kinjal is listening to Shilpa. During the conversation, Kinjal sees that her friend Meena is calling her phone, probably to discuss next week's shopping trip. What should Kinjal do now? Kinjal should tell Shilpa to wait so she can answer her phone and talk to Meena. Shilpa is going to be at the house for the whole day so they can talk up after the phone call. Kinjal should ask Meena to call her later during the day and then give Shilpa her full attention. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए P. Okay. Mac coaches his local soccer team. During the regional tournament, his team loses 3 matches in a row. What do you think Max should do to help his team? Mac will explain to his team that those 3 teams were the toughest in the region, so it was surely going to be a challenge to play them. But in the next game, it will be easy for us to win, so do not worry about our losses. B. Mac will review the mistakes that his team members made while the playing. He will have both one-to-one and group meetings with his team members to convey the tactics they need to use to improve. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए P. Anjali has prepared a cultural festival dance performance at her college. She has been practicing for many weeks. It is now the day before the event and Anjali is feeling quite confident, but that was until she saw the other participants practicing. Seeing their dance routines, she felt that they were far more superior than her. What would you recommend to her? A. She should remember her efforts and give her best performance possible. B. She should give an excuse to the organizer and avoid her performance to prevent any potential embarrassment. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए try hard as much as possible. Okay. As a result of his good exam performance, Kirtan recently gained admission to a prestigious college, but upon exploring the college environment, he sees that most of the students are intelligent, wealthy, and speak fluent English. Kirtan, coming from a lesser advantaged background, feels that he does not belong in this environment. What do you think Kirtan should do? A. Kirtan should remember that he has earned the right to admission through his academic ability. He should focus on working hard and not on his background. B. Kirtan needs to be more like the other student. If he starts wearing fancy clothes and copies the speaking style of the other student, then he will feel more comfortable. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए A. ठीक है, उसने अपनी काबिलियत के हिसाब से एडमिशन लिया है तो उसके ऊपर ही उसको फोकस करना चाहिए. Deepa is currently studying law at a world-renowned college in America. She has been asked to deliver a speech about gender equality at a regional student convention. Deepa is passionate about her subject, but she is worried about that the audience members will quietly mock her Indian accent and origin. She is mostly prepared for her speech, but with 3 days to go, this worry is still playing in her mind. What should she do? A. Deepa should use this last few days to try and adopt a more American accent. B. Accent जो भी हो. दीपा should focus on channeling her passion to her audience. तो इसमें B आंसर होना चाहिए. Okay. Ria has been invited to this year's National Youth Summit as a medical student. She has been asked for to prepare her view on the future of India and its medical practitioners. She is trying to decide which message she should convey. What do you think is the best option? A. Youth should contribute to India by becoming doctors. Being a doctor means you can become a wealthy and reputable. B. Youth should contribute to India by becoming doctor. Being a doctor means you can serve your country by helping its citizens. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए B. डॉक्टर का मतलब क्या है? आप अपने देश की सेवा करो by helping their citizen. Okay. Janish works as a computer engineer for an upcoming technology company. His manager has set him the task to update an important function for a developing product. From the requirement given by the manager, Janish predicts that it will take him at least 10 days to finish it, but his manager has challenged him to complete it in 4 days. How should Janish react to such a request? A. Janice should tell the manager that 4 days is impossible, but he will deliver it in 10 days. B. Janice should meet his manager's challenge and try his hardest to try it and complete it in 4 days. ठीक है, दोनों सही है, पर इसके अंदर आंसर जो है B है. ठीक है, अब आते हैं. Bhavya has just completed her master degree in biophysics. She is now applying to take a PhD at 5 of the top 20 universities in America. She has received admission from 2 universities and is now deciding which admission to accept. After weighing up both options, she has seen 2 deciding factors. Which of the below factors do you think she should prioritize as most important? A. The expertise and suitability of PhD supervisor. B. The reputation and prestige of the university. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए expertise and suitability of PhD supervisor. As a student, you want to excel not just in your academics but your personal life too. Should you seek to build a strong network with your teachers and classmates? B. Seek to build a strong network with classmates only, as teachers do not work in the industry, meaning their knowledge is theoretically limited. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए A. Strong network with your teacher and classmate. Okay. 121. Ravi has recently developed a new startup company providing an online delivery services. His company has been gaining many orders from his customer. His 6 employees have been working non-stop from the last 18 hours to meet the increased demands. As he is about to leave the office, he sees it is 10 p.m. and his employee must still package 300 or more products before they can rest tonight. As their leader, how should Ravi engage with his employees? A. Ravi should take out few minutes to order his employees to work harder and faster. B. Ravi should stay with his employees to help them finishing their packaging the product. ठीक है, इसके अंदर जो IPDC का ऑफिशियल आंसर है वो A है कि रवि को जो है कुछ मिनट अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को देना चाहिए ताकि वो फास्टर और हार्ड वर्क कर सके। और जो हमारा लॉजिकल आंसर है वो है बी, रवि शुड स्टे विथ हिज एम्प्लॉय टू हेल्प देम फिनिश पैकेजिंग द प्रोडक्ट। और इसके अंदर भी जो आंसर है वो बी ही है। रवि को जो है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के साथ रहना चाहिए और उनकी मदद करना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट को पैक करने में। ओके, you have planned a cultural event at your college. You have planned to set a wonderful stage for the inauguration. Your institute has allocated a dedicated fund for the stage decoration. During the final selection, you find out that your team will need more human resources to set the stage. In addition to the current laborers, what you will do? A. Train students for stage building and decoration. B. Request your institute to increase the allocated budget to hire more laborers. ठीक है, इसके अंदर दोनों ऑप्शन सही है, पर ज़्यादा सही जो है वो ए है। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें डेडिकेटेड फंड दिया गया है इसके लिए। जो फिर बाद में वापस इंक्रीज करने की बात आएगी तो थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड हो जाएगा, तो इससे अच्छा ए ऑप्शन है। स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन करो और स्टेज बिल्ड करो और डेकोरेट करो। You have organized an online quiz. Students across your state have registered for the quiz in huge number. You and the participants are excited to take part, but just before the quiz, the server crashed due to technical fault. What would you do? A. You will immediately report this error to the principal and ask a technical person to provide a solution. Till then, you will postpone the quiz. B. You will cancel the quiz because you doubt the capacity of the server. In the future, you will conduct the quiz with limited capacity. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए A. प्रिंसिपल को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहिए और टेक्निकल पर्सन्स को जो भी सॉल्यूशन है उसके बारे में पूछना चाहिए और क्विज को पोस्टपोन कर देना चाहिए। Okay, Satya is currently studying at 9th standard. His schoolwork has moved online and he now studies at home all the time. He spends hours on his phone every day to keep himself entertained and escape his boredom. He feels bad about it. What advice would you give him? A. It is a tough time right now. Spending more time on social media will allow you to pass the time quicker. Search for posts that are positive and useful. B. It is a tough time right now, so it is important to make sure we do not slip into harmful habits and lose control of our attention. So limit the time in which you use social media. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए B. Okay, B होगा आंसर। Chandresh has been using his phone at night before bedtime and now experiences sleeplessness. How would you suggest he solves this problem? A. He should only use limited application at night and avoid playing any games on his phone. B. He should set a fixed time at night where he stops using social media and he should not sleep with his phone within the reach. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए बी। कुछ फिक्स टाइम के लिए उसे यूज़ करना चाहिए और फिर बाद में अपने मोबाइल को दूर रख देना चाहिए। क्रिस एंडरसन, chief executive of 3D Robotics, once stated that we have seen the danger of technology firsthand. I have seen it in myself. I don't want to see what happens to my kids. Which statement best describes the important lessons to be learned from this quote? Children under the age of 12 should be banned from using social media. B. The use of technology can be harmful, especially for the youth. It should be limited and used cautiously. ओके, तो इसका आंसर होगा हमारा बी। चिल्ड्रन को बैन करके कुछ मतलब नहीं है, तो जो भी हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका लिमिटेड यूज़ करना चाहिए और कॉशंस के साथ यूज़ करना चाहिए। कितने है भाई? ओके, ख़त्म होने आई है। Anuj has an aspiration of becoming a credible IT consultant. He spent most of the time on his laptop and mobile to watch online certification, training video, track market trends, and to expand his professional network. However, this prevents him from spending too much time with his family even though they live in the same household. His parents often complain about him always being stuck on his mobile and laptop. How should Anuj evaluate his routine? ठीक है, ये बंदा जो है पूरे सभी कोर्सेज कर रहा है ऑनलाइन और अपने फैमिली के साथ कुछ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर रहा है। तो अब देखते हैं इसका ऑप्शन क्या होना चाहिए। Anuj should keep his career as a prime focus. He should promise his parents that he will schedule them in some quality time for one weekend next month. After his career is set, then he will make more time to spend with his family. Anuj B. Anuj should schedule some quality time for his parents every week. He can continue working on his career, but it will not hurt him to take a break from his electronics now and again. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए बी। हर हफ्ते जो है अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ वक्त बिताना चाहिए। ओके। 128. Megha has been feeling unhappy and lonely for the last 2 weeks. She has been longing to share her emotion with someone. What should she do? A. She should reach out to people using social media and create a new friendships. B. She should express her feelings to family members with who she feel comfortable. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए B. फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ। ओके। 129. Meera and Beera are both medical students who have been decided to volunteer the college blood drive. They were both scheduled to spend 1 hour taking blood from the donor before leaving their summer vacation, but the organizer has requested them to stay 2 hours longer to help deal with the unexpected increase of the donors. Meera and Beera both have different responses. Which one from the following do you think is more appropriate? Okay. A. Meera agrees to continue her seva as long as necessary. B. Beera decided to leave as she complete the time that was originally agreed. ठीक है। ऑफ ये जो IPDC के ऑफिशियल्स के आंसर है उसके अंदर आंसर जो है बी दिया गया है, पर ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट जो है वो ए लग रहा है। ठीक है। मीरा जो है सेवा के लिए एग्री करती है, पर बीरा जो है वो अपना टाइम कंप्लीट हो गया उसके हिसाब से फिर वो नहीं जानती है, वो फिर चली जाती है। तो इसमें ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट जो है ए है ना। तो इसका आंसर ए होना चाहिए। इसके अंदर ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है। ओके। सेम इसके अंदर भी ये वाला क्वेश्चन इसमें भी नहीं है, पर IPDC के ऑफिशियल आंसर में भी इसमें भी कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है। देखते हैं। नेहल स्पेंट हर स्कूल वैकेशन वॉलंटियरिंग फॉर अ डिजास्टर रिलीफ project. This required her to spend 2 weeks packing and distributing food packets for flood victims. This seva was tiring and time consuming. Despite her efforts, she found the residents of one village to be very ungrateful. The residents took the food packets, but they did not say thanks, smile, or give any response. This made Nehal feel sad and unappreciated. What advice best suits Nehal's difficulty during this seva? A. We should not expect everyone to be thankful. Instead, we should be thankful that we have been given to the opportunity to perform this important seva. B. Only a few residents were ungrateful, but some peoples from the other villages praised us, so we should remember those praises insteadly. ठीक है, ये जो IPDC का ऑफिशियल आंसर है वो तो उतना अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं लग रहा। ए वाला ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट लग रहा है कि जो भी ह्यूमन्स हैं उनके पास से हमें ये एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखनी चाहिए कि वो थैंकफुल होंगे, बल्कि हमें इस बात का शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए कि हमें मौका मिला है कि सेवा करने का। ठीक है। तो इसका आंसर होगा हमारा ए, बिना किसी डाउट के। ओके, अब इसमें भी देख लेते हैं सब ठीक है। ओके, ये रहा एक क्वेश्चन। पल्लवी वॉज वेरी क्लोज विथ हर फैमिली एज अ चाइल्ड, बट आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हर 7th स्टैंडर्ड शी अटेंडेड an out-of-state boarding school and then later study in college abroad. After 9 years, she finally returned to settle with her family at home, but she is finding it difficult to connect with her family like she did as a child. What do you think that Pallavi should do? A. Pallavi should give herself time to settle down and adjust to her new environment. B. Pallavi should regularly spend some quality time with her family. तो इसका आंसर आना चाहिए बी, अपनी फैमिली के साथ कुछ क्वालिटी ऑफ टाइम बिताना चाहिए। ओके, Anamika and Aditi are friends, but Aditi forgot to invite Anamika to her birthday celebration. Anamika felt upset that she was left out. A few weeks later, Anamika's birthday anniversary is now soon approaching, and she is planning her birthday celebration. What should Anamika do? Anamika, okay? A. Invite Aditi to her birthday celebration. This will make Aditi realize her mistake and more likely to apologize. B. Invite Aditi to her birthday celebration and bridge the gap in their friendship. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए bridge the gap in their friendship. Okay? गया भाई, काफ़ी है अभी और. Okay, 97th. Your project team of 4 members have been given an assignment. During your weekly review session, the professor finds a silly mistakes and scolds the whole team badly. Later, the team tries to find out who had made that mistake. You are aware that it was your mistake, but you are hesitant to own up. What should you do? A. Do not reveal that it was your mistake, as others might think that you are unintelligent. But make sure you do not repeat such a mistake in the future. B. Accept your mistakes and express your genuine regret to the team. It will build trust and strengthen the relation within the team. तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा B. अपनी गलतियाँ एक्सेप्ट करो और उनका रिग्रेट एक्सप्रेस करो टीम को. B. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemy. What is the best lesson we can learn from this famous quote by Nelson Mandela? A. Keeping bitter emotion for the other people will only prove to be self-destructive for us. So we should learn to forgive others for our own peace of mind. B. Keeping bitter emotions for your enemies is unlikely to inflict harm on them. Plus, it will harm us too. So, we should avoid such feelings as it can be risk for us. तो इसका आंसर होगा हमारा A. Okay? A. 104. Neil's friend encourages him to smoke some cigarettes because he believes that there is no harm in trying it once. Why should Neil decline his friend's offer to smoke? A. Smoking is harmful and can be addictive. B. Smoking can be unpleasant experience for the beginners. तो इसका आंसर आएगा A. Smoking harmful है और बाद में उसकी लत भी लग सकती है. Devashish Ghosh, an intelligent youth, had great career prospects, but he became addicted to the various of drugs. The Defense Ministry found him in possession of drugs and blacklisted him. This ruined his career. How do you think Devashish Ghosh could have been avoided this situation? A. Devashish should have only used the drugs occasionally during his vacation time. B. Devashish should not have taken the risk. He should have अवॉइडेड द यूज ऑफ ड्रग्स कम्प्लीटली। तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा बी, उसे कम्प्लीटली ड्रग्स का यूज जो है अवॉइड करना चाहिए। Sejal often gets stressed because she has financial difficulties. She is also addicted to the cigarettes, smoking 15 cigarettes daily. She refuses to stop smoking because she says that it helps to control her stress. Do you think it is beneficial for her to stop smoking? A. Yes. Spending money on cigarettes is wasting her money. If she can be strong and give up her addiction, then this will be more beneficial in the long term. B. No. By trying to stop smoking, she will get more stress, which will only make her situation worse. तो इसका आंसर आएगा A. Okay. Sanjay is part of district football team so far. He has played a crucial role in getting his team to the finals of the state championship. Today, Sanjay has been scheduled to play in the final match, but Sanjay's head has started hurting in a way that affects his concentration. Help him decide what advice he should take from the options below. A. Do not tell anyone and play the match even with the chance that the team's performance might get impacted. If you do not play the match, you might not get the recognition you deserve. B. Alert your coach about it, even if that means he will not let you play in the match. It is better to do what is the best for the team, even if it means missing out on बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी। तो इसका आंसर आएगा बी, अपने कोच को अलर्ट करो भले ही वो तुम्हें खेलने ना दे और या फिर उसकी कोई बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी आप मिस कर सको। ठीक। विच एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ अ गुड टीम प्लेयर इज एम्फसाइज इन अ कोट? टीम वर्क, सिंपली स्टेटेड इट इज अ लेस मी एंड मोर वी। ओके, a good team player should be able to sacrifice his personal gains for the success of the team. B. A good team player should be able to change his personality to fit and within the team. तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा A. Okay. Smith's fashion design company recently released a new product, but so far for sales have been very low. He has gathered with the sales team to find a solution before their product fails. Rita, the new intern, has been assigned to serve snacks and chai to the member in the meetings. While serving during the team's discussion, she asked to contribution an idea to increase the sales of the new product. What do you think Smith should do? A. Tell Rita that it is not appropriate to speak right now. She first needs to get some more experience before trying to contribute any ideas. B. Let Rita share her ideas. She may have something worthwhile to contribute to the discussion. तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा B. Okay. और काव्या यही है। Okay. Kavya's friend Arjun is describing a recent bad experience he had with the police. The incident has made him frustrated and he wants to explain what happened. How should Kavya, as a good listener, contribute to this conversation? A. Kavya should wait for a gap in the conversation to agree and voice her strong opinion on bad police conduct. B. Kavya should ask open-ended question to better understanding how Arjun feels. तो इसका आंसर आएगा B. How Arjun feels. Okay, Kunal has just graduated from the university. He has just started a new job earning 50,000 rupees a month. He has set himself a medium-term goal to buy a new car for himself and his parent. The car costs 1.8 lakhs rupees. Which of these scenarios are a reasonable medium plan to buy a car? A. Save 40,000 rupees a month for 5 months. B. Save 10,000 rupees a month for 18 months. ओके 50,000 सैलरी है तो फिर बी ही सही रहेगा, ठीक है। बी ऑप्शन सही रहेगा इसमें। 50,000 सैलरी है, 40,000 सेव करके फिर उतना कुछ काम का नहीं है। आफ्टर ग्रेजुएटिंग शिवानी स्टार्टेड working as a data scientist for the last 4 years. She has been earning 7 lakh rupees every year. Now that her 25th birthday is approaching, she is wondering about the best time to start a retirement fund. What financial plan will allow her to benefit the most? A. Start investing into a retirement fund straight away to earn more money through compound interest. B. For the next 5 to 7 years, she should keep her money free so she can start a retirement fund afterwards. इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा A. Start investing into a retirement funds. Okay. और लास्ट है हमारा while talking to an individual at a networking event, you learn that they have created a strategy to sell our products at an amazing rate. They are also highlighted as a power individuals in the networking booklet. How should you approach them? A. Ask the right questions to them, listen carefully, and try to understand their strategy. You should remain in touch with them to get updates. B. Pretend that you are interested in their field and try to get them to employ you. तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा ए। सही क्वेश्चन पूछो, सही से सुनो और समझो। ओके, तो ये आएगा हमारा आंसर। एक क्वेश्चन रह गया ना जो इसके अंदर है, जिसका राइट क्वेश्चन है इसमें रवि वाला है ना। रवि हैज़ रिसेंटली डेवलप्ड। ओके, इसके अंदर देखो क्या है, इसका आंसर बी आ रहा है। रवि शुड स्टे with his employees to help them packaging the product, और इसके अंदर आंसर दिया है ए, पर हमारा आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? बी। ओके, और यहाँ पे हमारा सेक्शन सी जो है वो ख़त्म होता है, ठीक है।